they twirl around.
Oh, wow. Okay, maybe not. So, I don't know that we will start her at 3.
Sometimes they put their toe out.
If you start them at 3.
What does Dan like to do?
No, I can't do that. I mean, it doesn't make sense. It's like, you want to do it to spend time with your child.
And reaches for the ceiling.
And you don't want to be uptight about it. That's really good. Just a few months, I know she'll change a lot, but I still can.
So you're dancing, Anya, in your cool skirt that Jamie let you wear?
We went to a opening. They had a show in Monmouth, at this Buchanan Center or whatever. And there was a little girl, and it was just so cool, kind of. Her mom was an artist, and the piece that the mom had in was a portrait of the child. So here was the child, right by her portrait, you know, and you could just totally see it was her. But then she was over a vent, and she was wearing a dress to the opening, and it would poof up, you know, and it was like a little pumpkin or something. So then Faye went over there, and she had a dress too.
You dancing, Anya?
You were so anxious to see it. I remember the kids.
You see yourself
Shake it,
dancing?
baby, shake it.
Yeah.